Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. Friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand in a better way. Apart from seeing 14 video, 86 video, 43rd video, you will get confused, friends. Okay. So, and before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. ABHIMANYU 1906. Okay. So you can DM me if you have any doubt. You can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I reply to the comments. Okay. So I will start with today's video, friends. And before starting with the today's video, I would like to tell you in our last video we have covered the topic called after we start speaking, are all the ties with the spirit world cut off? Okay. So this we covered in our last video, and in our today's video, I am going to cover the topic called does each person have a fixed amount of time on Earth? Okay. So this topic I am going to cover. Okay. So I will start, friends. Okay. This is the 108 number video, okay, and the topic is does each person have a fixed amount of time on Earth? Okay, so I will start. Just as you choose the day on which you will be born, you also choose the day of your death, also known as your due date. So as in some product there are some expiry date, so here also of ourself also there is a due date. So that means as I've selected my date of birth, even I am selected my date of death also. However, every human being has three due dates which can be thought of an exit point. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri, every soul have three due date: first due date, second due date and third due date. The first two due date may pass off with some sort of illness or accident from which you are saved. So there is quite possibility that the first two due date are passed away by some accident or something and we are saved from that. However, if your subconscious mind feels you are on the wrong path and there is very little chance of going back into the right one, you usually choose to leave the earth on the first two due date. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri that if our subconscious mind feel that we are on the wrong path and we are following the wrong path in our life and there is no hope of getting improved in our life, so our subconscious mind have complete option to exit from the body, choose to leave this body. The third due date is somehow final. However, just before the final due date, a human being can bargain for borrowed time from another human being. So this is also interesting. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling the third due date of a soul is full and final. So there is no scope of living further than that. But in any sort that soul want to live, then the soul bargains the life with some other human being. This is done without the person conscious knowledge. The subconscious mind bargain with a friend's, relative or stranger's subconscious mind and take over his or her remaining time on the earth. So this happens without our conscious knowledge. Even we also do not know. Our subconscious mind bargains time with other person's subconscious mind, and this happens with each other's subconscious mind without our conscious knowledge. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. For this, you require the permission of the high good soul of your realm. So for this, one thing is very important: the permission of a high good realm. Okay, the permission of high good soul of our realm. So, friend, those who doesn't know what is realm, for them I will tell you. I've already covered this topic in many of the videos. So, for the person who have seen the first time this video, I would like to tell you the the realm means there are total seven realm. First, second, and third realm is considered to be the hell. Fourth realm is considered to be neither hell neither heaven, and fifth, sixth, seventh realm is considered to be the heaven. Okay, so this is the basically the realm. This is very rarely and is done only in the case of spiritual mission. So this thing, the extension is very rarely which happens, and this is also done in case of some spiritual mission is to be done. In that case, it is to be done. This happened in our own family many years ago when we were still alive. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavanagari, this incident already happened in the family of Vipsi and Ratu when they were alive. So let's see what was the incident. There was a time when our dad was to be operated upon, and he kept telling everyone that he felt his time was up, he would say. So he is telling about Vipsi and Ratu is telling about his dad. So when he used to feel that there his time has been finished and his operation would be happening, and Vipsi and Ratu's dad used to tell, my time is over, now I'm not going to live, it is my time have came to an end. So this is the last time I am meeting you all well. So his dad tell Vipsi and Ratu, this is the last time, my son, I am meeting to you all. So and there is no possibilities of me of staying in this earth world. It was his third due date. So it was the third due date of Vipsi and Ratu's father. Okay. He was admitted into the hospital a day before the operation, and in the evening, mom, cousin, Gola, and Mani came to visit him. So he was admitted in the hospital, right? So in the evening, mom's cousin, Gola and Mani was the name of that person who came to visit him. They had a nice time chatting and laughing, and they went home. So after laughing, chatting, then they went home. Okay. The next day, when he was on the operation table, we received a phone call to inform us that Gola had died suddenly. So this is very interesting. So when next day operation of Vipsi and Ratu's father was to happen, then that point of time they received the information that Gola is no more. Gola has died. We never thought of this at that time, but now that we are in the spirit world, we know that have much Gola did not have much to live for. So at that point of time, Vipsi and Ratu didn't realize. But now in the spirit world, when Vipsi and Ratu came, Vipsi and Ratu realized that Gola didn't have much time, and our dad had our family, and our dad had our family, and his spiritual mission was to live for. So here, Vipsi and Ratu is telling that time at the point of time he was supposed to die, right? His dad. But his dad had his family, like wife, Vipsi, Ratu. But Gola didn't have anything, any responsibility, any spiritual mission, but his dad have. Gola had a spiritual mission too, all soul do, but she had not trained her spirit well. So even Gola also had a spiritual mission, which is been said, but Gola didn't train her spiritual mission that much. He was not such a trained soul, but his dad was enough on the earth to complete his mission. So Gola didn't train her soul that much in the earth to complete his her spiritual mission. So her subconscious mind felt it was better for her to go to the spirit world. So her subconscious mind felt that it's better if I'm not trained that much, it's better that I leave the spirit world. Train her spirit more and then reincarnate on earth. So then she felt that I should train my spirit on a more, then I will again get reincarnated into this earth. She felt she could contribute more by being in the spirit world. Then even she said that if I be in the spirit world, I could contribute more to the nature. Both their subconscious mind bargained, and dad's subconscious mind borrowed Gola's remaining lifetime on earth. So both their subconscious mind did the bargaining, and Vipsi and Ratu's dad bargained the time for the with the subconscious mind of Gola on the earth, and his dad lived the time of Gola's life. This may seem strange to you, but it is true. Means Vipsi and Ratu is telling it may be strange for us how it is possible, but this is true. This is not false. This will never happen if you try it consciously. So don't bother trying to borrow someone's lifetime. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri that if we try this consciously, it is not going to happen. So don't even try to do this, trying consciously that you give me your lifetime, it won't happen. It only happen on a subconscious level. Arrange such borrowed time depends entirely on whether there is a genuine need for you to live. So arranging subconscious mind arrange only time where there is really some genuine need to live or there is no such need of living. You may need to finish your mission, protect your dear ones, or improve much more to go on a higher realm. So our spiritual mission is to protect our dear ones, to go on a higher spiritual level, and to do spiritual missions on the earth. Most importantly, the one who lends his or her lifetime must have finished his or her mission and have following more to live for. So, for example, one who is lending his lifetime, his or her lifetime, it is important that he or she have completed his or her spiritual mission. Then only he can lead his or her lifetime, or many not have trained their spirit well enough to fulfill their spiritual mission, or there is quite possibility that many have not trained their spirit so well that they can complete their spiritual mission. So without the conscious knowledge, our subconscious mind appeal to the nature to go back to the spirit world. Special permission have been sorted in the spirit world for this kind of bargaining. So already for this kind of bargaining, already permission has been issued by the spirit world. Okay. So my friends, this topic comes to an end. In our today's video, I have covered the topic called does each person have a fixed amount of time on earth? So this was the topic. And in our next topic, I am going to cover that what happens to the children when they die. So this will be the next topic which will I will be covering in the next video. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video so you can understand in a better way, apart from seeing one video, 18 video, 24th video. Apart from if you see 1 2 3 4, you will get a link and you will understand it in a better way, friends. And if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section. You can do connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is abhimanyu1906. And do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay, so this brings to ends of today's video and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends.